Hi everybody and welcome to DRD Allotment. Today I'm going to do an update video because what I was going to do, I forgot to bring the seeds up. I'm going to see, my plan is to see how we're going to grow some seeds in the polytunnel over there over winter. I've got some lettuce seeds and I'm going to grow them from seed in the greenhouse plus some spinach seeds, and then we'll see how they'll grow in the polytunnel. Now I'm going to do that over a couple of months. So like the first phase will be sowing the seeds, then it'll be once everything's finished in the greenhouse, clearing the stuff out, setting the soil up ready, planting them seeds, and then see how they grow over the winter to see if we can get a winter crop. But today we're going to do an update, go around, see what's happening in the garden and see what they're doing over there because they're taking out a bush. So I'll show you that. So we'll catch you in a minute. Okay, Danny is taking his fruit bush back, but it's finished. So what he's doing is see if I can get around. So as you can see, he's cutting it back. So it's got to be a lot of cutting back. And then it's got to be dug out. So that's got to be fun. So as he's digging it back and pulling it away, Rob's transferring it along here. I'm trying to give you a full perspective of what we're doing, and
come and get them.
Very hard for me to see this camera with this soon. I'm putting it into here. So okay, well that's what we're doing. As I say, Rob's going to put it in there because that'll all figure down and it'll get burnt. So we'll show you the rest later on. Okay, we'll have a go around the garden. Shows you what's what. These are all grown. Bloody another butterfly up there. I'm sick of them getting it into my crops. Now down here there's a couple of courgettes. I don't know if you can see them. So there's a couple of courgettes in there. So as you can see, we're clearing that. Danny's trying to get the, I think it's going to take him a couple of days to get that root ball out because it's far too hot for working at the moment. These are growing well. Tomatoes in here, still all, as you can see, grown. Cucumber. So they're still growing. Sweet corn, massive. Same as the kale. These are pulling whatever peas that are left. The experiment tomatoes. As you can see, they're doing. And my cabbages over there, and they're getting bloody attacked off bloody something. And lettuces are growing massive, so they'll have to be pulled soon. So so that's right. We'll pull some beans off there, a few peas, little baby peas. So well, that's it, just a update. So we'll see you next week, where I hope to start this other thing. So thank you for watching. DRD Allotment signing off. Bye.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before ye gan. DRD allotments, see you next time.